would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight?
Now 12 noon is what? That is afternoon time. And midnight means what? 12 a.m. at night. Because it will be the gap of 12 hours. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And this 8 degrees Celsius below zero means minus 8 degrees Celsius below zero means what? Zero thi niche? Yes or no?
Yes.
The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. The temperature initial what was is 10 degrees Celsius above zero. Above zero means plus 10 degrees Celsius. This above zero.
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Every hour until midnight. Midnight means 12 a.m. Every hour it goes on decreasing minus 2. That means 2 degree per hour means every hour it goes on decreasing 2 degrees Celsius. समझ पड़े छे क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Twelve o'clock noon plus 10 હતું. Are you getting? So 1 p.m. કેટલું થશે? It will be plus 8 degrees Celsius. Any doubt here? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
No. Yes, sir.
See,
No, sir.
initial temperature that is 12 noon 10 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. That will be minus 2. So temperature at 1 p.m. will be what? 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. So it will be 8 degrees Celsius. What we got here? શું કરો છો તમે લોકો? કઈ સમજ નથી પડતી. Girls, no proper response from you all. Dumb class,
Yes,
dumb છો. Boys માં તો સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટર સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું ને એક્સપ્લેન થઈ ગયો. તમે લોકો ડમ છો? નથી સમજ પડતી? સર સમજાવે છે. Who will explain me this question? તમારામાંથી કોણ એક્સપ્લેન કરશે? I don't want to explain. Who will explain?
No, sir. You only explain.
Who will explain? Please let me know so that I can rectify the error if anything goes wrong. So easily સમજાશે. તમારું might be તમારી classmate વધારે સમજી શકશે. Anybody from the class who can explain me this question?
No, Rabia.
Yes, Rabia, go ahead.
In this question, it is said that on 12 noon, the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. So, if it is above zero, then it will be in plus. So, plus 12 degrees Celsius.
Plus 10.
Sorry,
beta.
plus 10 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
And it is said that if it decreases at 2 degrees Celsius per hour, then what will be the temperature at midnight? So, it decreases 2 degrees Celsius every hour. So, what will be the temperature at 12 o'clock in night? So, we have to subtract 2 degrees Celsius. We have to keep on subtracting 2 degrees Celsius from first 10 degrees Celsius. Then what is left like 8 degrees Celsius. And then at the last what we get the number is the answer.
We have to find what time would be the temperature 8 degrees Celsius below zero. That means minus 8 degrees Celsius ક્યારે આવે છે? Below zero means what? Minus 8 degrees Celsius કેટલા વાગે આવે છે? That is what we have to show. And again the next thing what we have to show is total degree Celsius કેટલું હશે 12 વાગે રાતે. There are two different questions in the same question. Okay, હવે તમને પહેલી વસ્તુ એ કહી દઉં. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે ભાવનગરમાં બહાર નીકળો, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ સમર સીઝન છે, બરાબર? તો સમર સિઝનમાં તમારે 40 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ હોય ઘણી વખત, ખબર છે? 40 ડિગ્રી છાપામાં આવે, 40 ડિગ્રી તડકો ભાવનગરમાં, ગરમી આવે કે નથી આવતું? ઘણી વખત છાપામાં રીડ કરતા હોય, ન્યૂઝપેપરમાં. Yes, that means what? It is totally hot, which is plus 40 degree. 40 degree means what? Above 0 degree. સમજાય છે? હવે જેમ જેમ તમે નજદીક આવો, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ઘરે જાવ તો ઘરે તમારા ઘરે કુલિંગ ટેમ્પરેચર ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ હોય નિયર અબાઉટ 25 to 30. આમ ઘરમાં આમ થોડીક છાયો બાયો મળે આ તે તો 30 ડિગ્રી તાપમાન જેવું લાગે ઘરમાં. સો ઘરમાં થોડીક ઠંડક થાય આમ ઘરમાં બહારથી ઘરે આવો તો. આર યુ ગેટિંગ કે નહીં? સો એ શું થયું? થોડુંક ડિક્રીઝ થયું, ભલે એ અગેન ઇટ ઇઝ અબાઉ 0. So it will be in plus only. પછી તમે જેમ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમારા રૂમમાં ગયા, બેડરૂમમાં એસી છે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, તો ઇફ યુ વિલ સ્વિચ ઓન યોર એસી, you will get the temperature to be the lowest one. Why? Because lowest temperature up to 18 or 16 whatever degree you are having, that will be the coldest temperature what you will be getting from your indoor unit, from your AC. સમજાય છે? તો રૂમનું ટેમ્પરેચર કેટલું થઈ જશે? 18 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ. એટલે આમ તમને ઠંડક ઠંડક ફીલ થશે. યસ ઓર નો? તો જેમ નીચે ઉતરો એમ શું થાય? કોલ્ડેસ્ટ થિંગ્સ વધારે નિયર બાય થાય. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? અને 0 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ આવે, 0 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ, એનીથી નીચે જાય તો કયા ફોર્મમાં ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જાય? માઇનસ ફોર્મમાં. કયા ફોર્મમાં થાય?
માઇનસ.
ઇટ ઇઝ અગેન ધ સમ ઓફ અ નંબર લાઇન ઓનલી. આપણે નંબર લાઇન ઉપર જ વર્ક કરીએ છીએ. ઓલ ધ પોઝિટિવ ઇન્ટીજર્સ આર ઓન રાઈટ સાઈડ, એટલે ઉપર હોય ટેમ્પરેચર તો ઓલવેઝ 0. 0 is over here. 0 below જાય it will be what? In negative. All the integers towards left side will be negative. Same thing for the temperature we are going through. In temperature, what is written? Above 0, 10 degrees Celsius. So it will be converted as plus 10 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Above 0 it is written, and this is written below 0. That means minus 8 degrees Celsius. તો આપણે 10 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસમાં ઓલરેડી છીએ. કેટલા વાગે? તો કે 12 નૂને. કેટલા વાગે છીએ? 12 નૂન એટલે બપોરના 12 વાગ્યા. બપોરના 12 વાગ્યાથી 10 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ છે. એવરી આર 2 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ શું થાય છે? ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. ડિક્રીઝ મીન્સ વોટ? એડ નથી થતું, ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. તો ઇટ વિલ બી -2 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ every hour. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So up till and unless we get -8 degrees Celsius, we have to calculate for every hour. After that, midnight to અહીંયાથી ડાયરેક્ટ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ થઈ શકે. From +10 to આ બંનેને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો, you will be able to calculate this very easily. Don't worry. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
what will be the first step? First step is to calculate every hour up till and unless we get -8 as our answer. સમજાણું? So +10 થી લઈને, let us start. Initial temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius, right? Change in temperature per hour is 2 degrees Celsius, which will be -2 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 1 hour will be what? 10 degrees Celsius plus -2 degrees Celsius. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? So plus minus will be 10 minus 2 will be 8 degrees Celsius. Again, the answer will be in positive only at present. તો આપણે પોઝિટિવ આન્સર નથી દેવાનો, આપણે ક્યાં સુધી જવાનું છે? -8 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ સુધી. Is that clear? So temperature at 2 o'clock will be what? 1 o'clock એ શું હતું? 8 degree. 8 degree માં હજી 2 degree ઘટશે પાછું. 8 plus minus 2 degree Celsius, you got 6 degree Celsius at 2 p.m. at કેટલું મળ્યું? 6 degree. Got it? Then 3 p.m. 3 p.m. at કેટલું મળશે? Again 6 minus 2, 4 degree.
4 degree.
4 o'clock, again 4 minus 2, 2 degree.
4 minus 2 degree. 2 degrees
Any
Celsius.
doubt here? 5 o'clock,
Yes.
5 o'clock, 2 degrees
Minus
Celsius,
2
minus 2 degree, it will be 0 degree. જો અહીંયા
degree
sequence જો બધામાં 2 degree ઘટે છે. Check the
Yes.
difference. Year to year,
Yes.
year to year. Now 6 o'clock starting with a negative. 0 degree Celsius was 5 o'clock, plus minus minus. So 6 o'clock minus 2 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Any doubt? Then 7 o'clock. You already have minus 2 degrees Celsius at 6. Plus, again, minus 2 degrees Celsius will be decreased. So you will get minus 2 degrees Celsius plus minus minus 2 degrees Celsius again. Minus minus plus 4 degrees Celsius, which will be negative. So you got minus 4 degrees Celsius at 7.
Yes.
समझाणु के नहीं?
Yes, sir. समझायु. Yes, sir. समझायु.
Okay. Then 8 o'clock, minus 6 degrees Celsius, minus 4, minus 2, minus will be plus. 4 plus 2 will be 6. Negative sign will be greater digit. So minus 6 degrees Celsius, and 9 o'clock, we will get our actual answer minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 4, then 8 o'clock, minus 6, and 9 o'clock, we will get actual answer as minus 8 degrees Celsius. આપણે આનો time આપવાનો જ ને. So by what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? 0 થી નીચે 8 degree Celsius ક્યારે આવ્યું? At 9 p.m. By what time?
9 p.m.
Therefore, check here, the
9
statement is written. Have you understood how to write the statement here? All the statements?
Yes.
Therefore,
Yes.
the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 at 9 p.m. That should be the conclusion for the first part. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now read this question. What would be the temperature at midnight? Direct midnight નું temperature આપવાનું છે. તો હવે હરેક કલાક એક કલાક હજી આગળ જવું જરૂરી નથી. We can easily calculate. How to calculate? 12 noon to midnight means 12 o'clock at night. So what is the difference between 12 noon to 12 o'clock at night? 12 hours. કેટલા કલાક થાય? 12 to 12, what will be the difference?
10 hours.
કેટલા hours? 10 hours.
12.
12 hours, yes. 12 hours is the total difference between noon to midnight, right? And what is the temperature that decreasing every hour?
-2.
-2. So can I multiply this directly by -2? Again,
Yes.
check here. Forget about what is negative, what is positive. 12 twos are 24 degrees Celsius. 12 twos are what? 24. Plus minus will be minus. So રાત્રે 12 વાગે કેટલા ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ હશે?
24 Celsius, -20.
Have you all understood what we have done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Check here. The temperature, this was the conclusion we wrote at last. Now, it will take 12 hours to go to be the midnight, right? We have to go to 12 hours to be midnight. At 12 a.m. after 12 noon, change in the temperature in 12 hours, -2 degrees Celsius, into 12, which will be minus 24 degrees Celsius. હવે આપણી પાસે 24 degree Celsius છે. આપણી પાસે already કેટલા degree Celsius હતું at 12?
10.
Sorry. કેટલા ડિગ્રી હતું બેટા? પ્લસ 10 ડિગ્રી હતું જ ને આપણી પાસે.
Yes.
કે નહીં? Or you can write like this also. This is also correct. Huh? Plus 10 already આપણી પાસે હતું. Right? 12 o'clock. Plus minus 24 degree. Again the same step. 10 degrees Celsius. Plus minus will be minus 24 degrees Celsius. So your actual temperature at 12 o'clock at noon will be minus 14 degree Celsius. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी? 10 degree already આપણી પાસે હતું. ક્યારે? 12 વાગે. એની 12 કલાક પછી કેટલું ટેમ્પરેચર હશે? minus 14 degree Celsius. Understood or not? Check here.
Yes, sir.
At midnight, the temperature will be 10 plus minus 24 degrees Celsius, which will be minus 14 degree Celsius. Therefore, the temperature at midnight will be 14 degrees Celsius below zero. Below zero means what? Minus 14 degree.
Minus 14, sir.
Any doubt with this sum, girls?
No doubt, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you? 100%?
Yes.
Chalo, sum number 6.
6.
Who will read this question?
Sir, can I Mahadesa Rajani?
Yes, Mohadesa, please.
Sir, can I Amiri Fatima?
Question number 7, Amiri Fatima. Question number 6, Mohadesa.
Yes, sir. Yes. Question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus
Okay.
2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question.
Wait,
Number
Mohadesa. Have you all understood this statement? The brackets, what I did?
Yes.
આપણે આ sum કરી ચૂક્યા છીએ exercise 1.3 માં, whatever sum I don't remember. We
Yes.
already did this kind of a sum. આ method વાળો sum કરી ચૂક્યા છીએ આપણે. If you do remember, you can go back to your exercise, you will come to know that we did this sum. Anyways, this is somewhat different criteria, so we will work on this. But have you all understood between the things what I did the bracket for?
Yes, sir.
Class test
Yes,
was
sir.
there. Plus 3 marks was given for the correct answer and minus 2 marks were given for incorrect answer. And no marks for attempting any questions. There was no marks given for any attention of the question. Right? So what are the 3 points that to be solved? Read, Mohadesa. Only number one you have to read. Let us solve one by one.
Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she correct answers? Has she attempted incorrectly?
What they have said, they are saying that Radhika scored total 20 marks. Total score આપેલો છે 20 marks score કરેલા. She has got 12 correct answer. એક correct answer ના કેટલા marks છે? Plus 3. Yes or no? She have attempted 12 correct answers. So total will be 12 into 3. એની પાસે total plus 36 marks હશે. But એનો total score છે 20. Are you getting my point? સમજાય છે? Total score એનો 20 છે. તો આને 20 minus કરીએ તો 16 will be the answer for the incorrect score. The incorrect score, what will be the appropriate think how many questions he must have attempted wrong. So minus 2 marks say एक question no. So if we divide by 2, total questions he must have attended is 8, which will be wrong questions. समझाई छे? So 36 minus 16, her score will be 20. समझाई छे question के नहीं?
हाँ सर समझाई छे.
The total marks is given. Total marks what she scored after deducting and adding everything was 20 marks. 20 marks માં કાઈ ફેરફાર થવાનો નથી હવે. She scored ગમે એટલા એ 12 correct answer આપ્યા છે. એ જેટલા questions correct આપ્યા હોય, she scored how much marks? 20. That's it. Now એમાં એવું લખેલું છે she got 12 correct answer. We have to find how many questions does she attempt incorrectly. એટલે એ ખોટા answer કેટલા આપ્યા છે. Got it? So let us solve this right here. Marks obtained for one right answer is plus 3 marks. Marks obtained for one incorrect answer is minus 2. Any doubt here? First two step.
No.
Marks scored by Radhika. Total marks was 20. What's he scored? Now marks obtained for 12 correct answer. 12 correct answer is written in the question. Sir, ઘરેથી કાઈ લાવ્યા નથી. So we have to solve that 12 correct answer. 12 into 3 will be 36 marks. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Now marks obtained for incorrect answer will be total score minus marks obtained for 12 correct answer. So total score was what? 20 minus 36. Any doubt here?
No sir.
Plus 36 है. She scored positive. Plus 36 है. But plus minus will become minus. So 20 minus 36 will be minus 16. Are you getting? So marks obtained for one wrong answer is minus 2. Thus, number of incorrect answer will be minus 16 divided by minus 2. Again, minus minus will be cut, which will be positive. 8 2s are 16. So 8 incorrect answer. Therefore, she attempted 8 questions wrongly. Any doubt here, girls?
No sir.
Only one child is answering me. What about Amreen, Fatima, Rabia, Rabia, another Rabia in the
No,
class?
sir.
What about
No, sir.
Fatima, Aisha, Ilma, Shifa? All of you understood this first part for Radhika?
Yes.
Chalo, read.
Yes, sir.
Odessa, read question number 2.
Yes sir. Number B.
Number 2.
Mohini scored minus 5 marks in the test. True she has got
Not true. Though she has got 7 correct answer.
So she has got 7 correct answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly?
Same method, same sum. Her total score was 20 marks. What was for Radhika? Her total score is 5 marks, which is in negative. So Mohini's total score is 5 marks. Though she has attempted 7 correct એટલે plus 3 સાથે multiply કરો તો 25 marks તો એના positive હતા. So એવા કેટલાય wrong answer આપ્યા કે એનો -5 score થઈ ગયો. Are you getting my point? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes sir, yes.
समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં?
Yes sir.
So -5. Total score -5. Total score minus the correct answer score बराबर છે, which will be plus 21. Am I right or wrong? In a minus
sir.
karo. So what will be the answer? -5 minus plus minus 21. So you got -26 as the total for the incorrect answer. Incorrect answer માટે total આવ્યું -26. which will be divided by 2. So total incorrect answer will be 13, which she will be attempted, which she might have attempted. Understood? समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
તો હવે જો 26 21 -26 કરો, 21 એના પોઝિટિવ સ્કોર થયો, 26 એનો નેગેટિવ સ્કોર થયો. See, her total score will be -5. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us check the answer. Come back here. Marks scored by Mohini was -5. Marks obtained for the correct answer is 7 3s are 21. Okay, got it. Marks obtained for incorrect answer. Total score minus marks obtained for 12 correct answer. 12 no ave 7. She attempted 7 correct answer. Okay. 12 printing error છે, 7 correct answer છે. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 7 3s are 21. So આમાં કઈ રીતે લખાશે? -5 minus plus -7. Sorry, -21, huh? -21. So you got minus plus -5 -21, which will be -26. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
So marks obtained for one wrong answer was -2. Thus, number of incorrect answer is -26 divided by -2. Total 13 question. Therefore, she attempted 13 questions wrongly. Any doubt here, girls?
Sir. No, sir.
All of you, all the girls, those who are present here.
Yes, sir. No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, chalo. Chalo, third part. Who will read this? Part number 3. Modesa, continue,
Yes,
beta.
sir. Yes, sir. Rakesh scored 18 marks by attempting 16 questions. How many questions has he attempted correctly, and how many has he attempted incorrectly?
Now we know that total questions were attempt was 16. એટલે total correct and incorrect બધું થઈને 16 questions attempt કર્યા છે. Are you getting? સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? We don't know how many he has attempted correctly and how many incorrect questions. But total questions we know that he has attempted 16. And out of these total questions, he has scored 18 marks, which is in positive. એટલે 18 marks he has score કર્યા છે. 16 question attempt કર્યા પછી 18 marks score કરેલા છે. But we don't know what are the number of questions correct he has attempt, what are the number of questions incorrect he has attempt. Any doubt with the statement and the questions to be understand?
No, sir.
Have you all understood the criteria what to be required?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us come to the answer column. Coming back to the answer column, total scored by Rakesh was 18 and number of questions attempted was 16. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, can I say number of correct answer will be multiplied? Correct answer will be multiplied with, suppose as C into 3. એટલે +3 થશે correct answer no.
Yes, sir.
And incorrect answer IC, ચલો incorrect ને હું IC લઉં છું, multiplied by -2.
Yes.
આ બેને એડ કરવાથી તે આ બંનેને એડ કરશું આપણે, પછી જેનો સ્કોર 18 આવશે. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you all getting the content what I am teaching you all?
sir. Yes, sir.
So C into 3 again. C into 3 as it is. This plus sign as it is. Now instead of IC, which is incorrect answer, multiply by minus 2. Can I take 16 mathi correct answer baat kariye? 16 minus C, which is correct answer, given, multiply by minus 2. Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point what I did? See,
Yes,
I took
sir.
C as common. Number of correct answer common લઈ લીધું મેં. Incorrect answer ને હમણાં મેં સાઈડ માં મૂકી દીધું. કેમ કે આપણે incorrect answer આપણે ગોતીએ છે.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood this? What I took,
Yes, sir.
instead of incorrect answer, I took 16 minus correct answer. તો એ બીજી ભાષામાં incorrect answer જ થયું ને? Indirect way. સમજાય છે? જો આ પાર્ટ એમને રહેવા દીધો, નંબર ઓફ કરેક્ટ આન્સર એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ, ધેટ ઇઝ C into 3 as it is, plus as it is, number of incorrect answer which was IC, incorrect answer નો IC લીધો તો આપણે, right? Instead of that I took 16 minus C. IC ક્યારે મળે આપણે? 16 minus correct answer એટલે incorrect answer મળશે. Multiply by minus 2 as it is equal to 18 as it is. Any doubt with the second step? છે કોઈને doubt second step માં girls?
Sir. None.
સમજાય છે શું કરું છું?
No. Yes, sir.
Okay, let it be. હજી નો ના answer આવે છે. This part I am going to continue in our next lecture, okay? This last sum along with question number 7, which will be the last sum of this exercise as well as the chapter. We will complete that and we will continue the chapter number 2 for the further explanation in our next lecture. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Don't do it by your own. Please wait for me. I will explain this question thoroughly. Then you can solve it by your own. Okay? It has to be explained. That's for sure. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir. Yes,
So one
sir.
time all the sums what we did in your rough book and one time in your fair book as your responsibility. Complete your homework. Have a nice time, girls. Have a nice time. Khuda Hafiz, all of you.
Bye, Khuda Hafiz.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Nice day.